What if your phone could plan your day, keep you safe, and even express your vibe with AI? Google I/O 2025 just unveiled a future where devices are smarter, safer, and way more expressive. Today on GadInsider, we're breaking down the AI-powered goodies coming to your gadgets. Stick around. This is Google's boldest vision yet. GadInsider, your ultimate source for tech, gadgets, and the future of innovation. Google I/O 2025, kicking off on May 20th, is all about AI that makes your devices work harder for you. From Gemini's next-gen upgrades to safer Android systems and expressive new features, Google is setting the stage for 2025. Let's dive into the highlights that'll change how you use your phone, watch, and more. First up, smarter AI with Gemini's agentic capabilities. Google's pushing AI that can handle complex tasks, like booking appointments or planning trips without you micromanaging. Imagine your Pixel 9 acting like a personal assistant, learning your habits and getting stuff done. It's like having Jarvis from Iron Man in your pocket. Next, safety. Google's rolling out beefed up Android protections using AI to spot scams and phishing in real time. Whether it's a sketchy text or a shady app, your device will warn you before you're at risk. Plus, new privacy controls let you lock down apps with sensitive data, keeping your info secure. And let's talk expressive. Google's adding AI-driven features to make your devices more personal. Think custom emoji reactions on Wear OS, AI-generated wallpapers that match your mood, or even voice responses with more personality. Your tech is about to feel like an extension of you. Why is this a big deal? Google's making AI practical, secure, and fun, all while powering up Android, Wear OS, and maybe even those XR glasses teased for I/O demos. With live keynotes and hands-on sessions at I/O 2025, we're getting a front row seat to the future. From planning your day to keeping you safe and letting you express yourself, Google's AI vision for 2025 is all about making tech work for you. I/O 2025 is just days away and the hype is real. Get ready for a smarter tomorrow. GadInsider fam, which I/O 2025 feature are you most excited for? Smarter AI, better safety, or expressive vibes? Drop it in the comments. And if you're pumped for the latest tech news, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay locked into GadInsider.